Right, next we are going to create a badminton net for iClone 8 3D animation software. You can see you already have a badminton court. This is an iProp, this is already there, the badminton court is already there. We just need to create a net. To create a net, I'm going to show you, actually, it is really easy. Now, I already have a picture of the badminton net. This is just a PNG picture, badminton net with transparent background. It only shows the nets and then the pillows of the net. The rest are just transparent. So I have this PNG picture. It is as a texture. It is already in my window, the badminton net.png. Alright, so in iClone 8, what I need to do is just create a plane and apply the texture. So I go to the props, double click the prop folder under the template prop folder, and then I scroll down. Then I go to the 3D surface, scroll down, you can see I have a plane B. So I double click it, it is going to apply it on the scene. This is just a plane. So I drag and drop the badminton net PNG onto the plane. Now you can see it already applied the material texture. So what I need to do is just rotate it to the correct orientation. First I press E, and then I rotate along the Z axis, negative 90 degree. Negative 90, press enter, and then I rotate along the x-axis 90 degree. Now you can see it already become a badminton net, but it is so small. So I press R, drag and drop to scale it properly. And then I press W to just move it up. Okay, so now you have to make sure the height of the badminton net is about 1.5 meter. For each of the grid in iClone, it is 1 meter. So to make sure the net is 1.5, you just need to make sure the height is adjusted properly. Alright, now it looks 1.5 meter. Next, I'm going to just press R, and then I expand it along the, rescale it along the x-axis. Now you can see the badminton net already completed at the center of the badminton court, and it looks realistic. And actually it is just a piece of plane with the texture, transparent background. It already showed the opacity at the center of the nets, at the holes between the nets. Alright, now you can create your badminton animation at here. You already have the badminton nets. So now I may just want to attach the nets on the prop, or you can just ignore it, make it as two separated props. It's okay. That's all.